Hey guys, Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets, fixing on the South Gate. Gonna do catfishing today. Usually you see me do bass fishing, but you saw my last video, they were catching them about dusk, and I'm gonna go. What is it, about 5:30 right now?
5:15.
5:15. So yeah, we're gonna go try to catch some catfish. Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets. Just came down here to set the minnow trap, and I found a kid's driver with the head obviously waterlogged or something. It's way too heavy. It's a mini driver. I mean, comes up to here, and I'm like 5'4". So, anyway, I came back here to set the minnow trap. I've got hot dogs, chicken liver, chicken gizzards, and minnows. They are already tearing it up over there. Oh, I think I spooked it. Alright, well, I'll leave these fish to munch away. So, come back about an hour to check it. Again, I'm gonna go put my catfish poles out and I'll do a little bass fishing while I wait for a bite. So, see y'all then. Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets. Got one here. Back at the main lake catfishing.
It's another turtle.
Is it really? Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets got something on. It's okay. Not huge. Pounder or so. A small rod. Ooh, he's fighting hard. Yeah, he ain't too big. There we go. That's channel cat, I think. Yeah, channel cat. Nice guy.
Spikes, Bows and Bullets here.
Oh, this is a nice one. Yeah, he's not bad.
Cody Champ Mueller here. He actually got a real nice one.
He's not even that big. He's putting up a fight like this. Oh, it's not.
So, one of the best.
He's a fat one, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it's pregnant, I think.
Yeah.
Nice good old channel cat. Cody Mueller here.
Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets. We got Daniel.
How big is he?
Reeling in a fish.
You nice?
Feels nice.
Here, I'll come over. I'll put him on the stringer.
Turtle.
Oh, it's a turtle.
It's a snapping turtle too. Stay back. Be careful.
Snapper. He might be a nice one, or it's the same one fighting again.
Another trash bag.
I don't know.
Keep your rod tip up.
Do you got another one?
Another what?
Zip up baggie?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cody.
Hey, it's not my fault.
You ran into his line. Yeah, we just got back. I just got back anyway from the creek where I had my minnow trap set. I got a little baby catfish. He wants to keep it, and a whole bunch of little sunfish we're going to use for bait. Oh, he's not a bad one. Oh, he's kind of small.
Yeah, he's small, but he's putting up a freaking fight. What is with these small ones putting up a fight?
Channel cats fight hard, dude. And you're using that little old pole thing.
Yeah.
All channel cats do.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he's a good eater, though.
You keeping him?
Yeah, I'll keep him. Let me show you the fish we got from the
Care
creek.
if I keep 2 sunfish?
Go ahead. We got enough, and I set the trap back up, so I'll go around here. I'll get many more. I got tons of little fish in here. Little bluegill, and there's a catfish in here too. So, yeah, we got this will be the second fish on the stringer. So, we'll get back to y'all.
Bass
Come
Spikes, Bows and Bullets.
Did he come
Daniel's
off?
catching another fish.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, he came off. Spikes, Bows and Bullets. Let's see if Daniel can actually pull him up this time, boy.
How about Cody stop being a dick, boy?
What's going on YouTube? I'll land him if he's good.
Push him in the water.
You better not. Oh, he's
Here
small,
comes
ain't he?
the fish of the century.
Oh, he ain't bad, actually.
It's a catfish.
Can I keep him?
He's a flathead.
No, that's a channel catfish.
It looks like no shovelhead. That is not a channel
Yes,
cat.
it is. Look, it's golden color.
I'm telling you, like that. The channel cat's always blue.
Daniel, post.
Blue cats are blue.
It's like,
Down,
hold on.
comment down to below. Is this a channel catfish or no? Look at its golden color, dude. That is a channel cat. Fish going on the stringer.
Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets. Daniel with another fish here. What can it be?
He's little. Whoa. Never mind.
Give someone else a fish, Daniel. Gotta catch them
Oh.
all.
He's just a little cat.
Oh yeah, throw him back. I ain't even fling him. He's a nice golden channel cat though. Look
Hold on, I'm
nice.
getting another bite.
These circle hooks look good. Is he good size?
Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets.
Oh, he's a nice one. Oh no, not really. He's good though. He's an eater.
There you go, Jim. I'm about to get this other fish.
Oh, that's a nice one. Alright guys, now they're on the stringer.
Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets. Jimmy catching his fish for the first time ever. Second time.
I think he's small.
Yeah, he's small.
Sweet fish. Oh wow, he's barely hooked. Look at that. Barely.
Barely.
Can you see good or do you need to turn the flash on yet?
Alright, we'll see if we catch another one. Jimmy letting his fishy go.
Sneaky. He
Bass
just-
Bites, Bows and Bullets. We'll
he's
see you
still-
later. Why is there no flash?
You didn't turn it on yet.
I did turn it on.
Can you see good though?
Yeah. Bass Bites,
Dude,
Bows and
that's a
Bullets.
turtle.
Daniel.
Yeah, dude.
Mother.
That
It's
is
a
a big,
big
snapping
turtle.
turtle. That's not that big. You hooked him in the foot.
Snapper.
Back up.
Here's a big
You're gonna break the line. You try to flip him in. So I'm gonna step on
It's
him.
a big mother.
I got these big boots on.
Don't step on it.
You got him hooked in the foot.
I know.
You can't see, dude.
Watch out! Watch out! Move! 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 Right here.
It says.
Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets.
Cody, move.
I do
We have a
not
big
want
snapper
this
turtle.
big. This bastard bite.
Here,
me. I'm gonna
hold
be
on,
so
ready?
Pissed off.
Big
out.
old snapper turtle.
All right, I got him. I got it off.
You did?
All right, here we go.
I'm trying to see.
Got one here. Nice,
Does he feel big?
Feels like another.
turtle.
Nope, it ain't a turtle.
Is it big? Oh, wow, that's a nice one. Slinger.
Go out, buddy.
Look at him. It's actually can't see anything on the
Looks like
camera.
she's pregnant.
Is it?
Yeah.
Might just be fat.
Looks like she's pregnant.
No, she's just fat.
No, she's just fat.
That is a nice channel cat. He's pushing 3 pounds almost. No, not 3. 2.5. Alright, going on the stringer.
Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets. Daniel's got another one.
Daniel's the only one catching it.
Daniel is the only one catching.
It'll be good size.
Look at that, baby.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Let me sit him down. I don't want my line to break.
I want your line to break, Daniel. Bass Bites, Bows and Bullets. We'll see you later if we catch another fish, which will probably be Daniel.
Is he nice?
Hey, sideways, sideways.
Oh, not bad.
He's a little one.
He is. Nice. Nice. He's little, but caught one. Jesus. I thought
So
he
was that this fish that got in that line?
Yeah.
How small? Oh. We are slaying them out here today. Daniel's getting most of them. Daniel.
Hey, look at this. I just got one.
Put him back for the camera. Ta-da.
This might be tangled up in your line. So
Me?
don't get mad at me.
I don't give a flying freak. Hey, I said freak
This is
because
a
of our
big-
recording.
I mean, he ain't big, but he's giving a hell of a fight.
Is he? Oh, he's not bad. Yeah, I think you foul hooked him. No, you didn't. Never mind. Flip him in here.
He's a nice one.
Dude, those guys are there like, you're slaying.
I know.
Hey,
Yeah, that's got my line. Bro, I don't care. You can cut it.
be careful. I almost just got finned right
Here,
there.
it'd be easier to take the hook out first. All right, we'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets in the car. Sorry about the lighting here, but we're on our way home. I got my limit, 5, and I am going to go clean them, and we'll eat them later. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. This might not be the end of the video. I might show you some cleaning, but yeah. All right, guys, Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets. Wrapping up the day. Gonna clean the fish, eat, and go to bed. Grab my poles, Mom. Oh, some help you are.
Bust it open anytime.
Alright. Click. Alright, guys. I'm gonna clean these fish. Ugh. Show them to you real quick. Brought home 5 of them. Caught about 20. I probably saw 5 or 6, 7, 8 catches though. Got the turtles too. Alright, I'll get back to y'all. Alright, guys. Getting pretty close here. Got 2 left. Then I got to get the skin off of it, but other than that, it's going good. 2 left. Okay, everybody. I've been cleaning for like 20 minutes, and I just found out how to get... Now, everybody who's probably cleaned these a lot knows this. How to get like in one try, just get one big skin off of it with like no meat on it. Just to get one nice big clean fillet. Because what I was doing is I was doing this, and like I was just like trying to like get pieces up at a time. But what you want to do is get up under there and flip it over. So I probably couldn't see it. I wasn't even pointing the camera right. But I was getting up, and I was like cutting off quarter-sized pieces, but you flip it over. Well, you get up under there with your knife, and then you flip it over, and you like, with a downward angle, so, but not real tough, so you don't cut through the skin, but you just go and you cut right off. Man, I wish I knew that for the last 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's like half an hour later. I'm finally done. I've cleaned all the fish. I'm not completely done. I still gotta go rinse them off and, you know, do all that. But, yeah, I'm just about done. Yeah. Get off my knife. I got a really nice knife here. Paid only about 30 bucks for it. It's a Rapala. Real sharp. Built-in sharpener on the thing too. It broke though. So I just used a stone, but real nice. Holds the edge well. Wasn't too expensive either. Anyway, I'm gonna go in and clean the rest of these fish the rest of the way. Alright everybody, Bass Spikes, Bows and Bullets. All done. So about 5 catfish. I had 5 catfish for about 1 to 2 pounds or so. All clean, boneless. Gives you about what's that? 12.85 ounces unit.
Don't record yourself not being able to read a scale.
No, does this thing have pounds?
12 ounces is less than 1 pound.
Yeah, I know.
So 16 ounces is a pound.
I'm aware.
12 ounces is 3/4 of a pound.
Alright, well, 12 ounces of fish. That's not a whole lot for half an hour cleaning and a couple hours fishing. But hey, gonna taste good. So what you get? Anyway, be sure you subscribe and like and comment all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.